The H-1B visa is a non-immigrant work visa that is offered to foreign nationals that have a job offer from a U.S. company, and that job needs to be a so-called specialty occupation. The specialty occupation is defined as an occupation that requires at least a bachelor's degree in a very specific field. There are some necessary elements of the H-1B visa for a foreign national to qualify. They have to have a degree in a specific field. Sometimes there's some issues with matching the type of requirement for the position with the type of degree the foreign national holds. I personally had a case when we got a denial initially from the immigration service because the job required a degree in computer science, while my client had a degree in urban planning. What the USCIS did not realize that even though the type of the name of the degree was not exactly computer science, all the courses that he took were related to computer science. So we were able to fight this denial and actually sue the government and get the case reopened and approved after they realized that it's really the knowledge that matters, not necessarily the name of the degree. Another important element of the H-1B visa is that there needs to be an employer-employee relationship. We have to work with our clients closely if there's a foreign national that owns any part of the company, because we need to ensure that the corporate structure is set up in a way that we can show that there is a control on the side of the company, even though the foreign national may be the owner of some amount of shares. So in 2020, the USCIS started the implementation of the new lottery system that requires all U.S. companies that want to sponsor foreign nationals for H-1B visas to register in March for the lottery system. There is a registration period that is from March 1st to March 20th. At the end of that period, the U.S. Citizenship Immigration Service will run a lottery and select the 65,000 H-1B visas for the regular CAP and additional 20,000 visas for the U.S. Masters CAP. Once the selection is made, the government will notify those who were selected and allow them to submit their petitions for adjudication. Those who are selected have 90 days to submit the complete filings. This system really benefits the employers that we represent, because we only have to prepare the full petitions for those cases that were selected, while in the past we had to submit all complete filings prior to lottery taking place, which was a lot of wasted resources and cost on their part.